In order to bypass a zone, let's say for instance it's a nice cool evening and you want to leave a window open. Let's say we open our master bedroom window up and we have a fault. Or let's say for instance we've got a bad sensor, we can't figure out what's going on with it. If you press the start key, I know zone 17 is open. In this case, I want to pretend this is a bedroom window and I want to keep it open during the night, but I still want to arm my system. In order to basically bypass this temporarily, what you need to do is punch in your master code. Mine is 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to hit number 6 for bypass. And then I'm going to put in 17, which is my zone. You'll notice my ready light comes on, the system's now in bypass mode, and I can arm my system like normal. And once you arm it, when you come out of that, when you exit out of it, when you shut off your system, you'll go back into where it was normally open at. So if you were going to bypass this every day, you would have to every day go into that same feature. So if the sensor was bad, you need to call somebody until they get out there to replace it. You're going to have to bypass it. Please click the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, I can.